What do you think?
Y'all ready to kill some doves?
Kill some dove. Hey, you're not gonna start claiming my dove, are you?
All the doves, mine.
Oh, all of them.
Y'all gotta stand to the side of the picture. I give y'all one apiece.
I'll be your hype man. Trace will be your camera guy.
When was the last time you went dove hunting?
I haven't done it in 3 years.
Can I
So you're probably gonna miss one.
Oh, I've been skeet shooting since then though.
Can I sit on your shoulders and shoot?
My shoulders are good.
Either one's.
Mine would be like sitting in a tower.
I might be able to catch.
I mean,
Hey, I swear.
you're gonna need something with this baby stock going on right here.
If somebody says low bird, you shoot. I swear to God.
Hello, bird. He said it's mine.
I'm about to pellet your ass.
You can jump up there and grab it.
It's gonna be like Wagon Crashers.
Come to you. Oh. That bird's down in there.
I'll be honest with you, boys. That's a little far away from me. That one's in that.
All right, you guys, how many do we get?
About 8. How many times we shoot? Got him, baby. I don't know. Oh my God, this dude is an animal.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I swear. He's a good shot.
Hob said something about he wanted to be peppered. Yeah. That's your first bird, you gotta eat the head. What am I supposed to do with that?
Good shot there, Tyler. Go get it, bird dog.
I'm gonna have to face this way.
Hey, good job, bird dog.
Hey, three coming in, Bradford, one behind you.
Coming you.
Where?
Ooh.
Yeah, that was you, bitch.
Old Deadeye strikes again.
Colton.
Damn, son.
Butch. Old son, come on.
Old son. Oh, you boys. Who got that one?
Woo, attaboy.
Oh!
Who's that?
Open.
Got it right. Did he really just walk? Bradford, if you had hit that. Was he videoing? Oh, yeah. I didn't know he saw it. He just,
You almost made it to the stack.
Yep, I was looking out for you. Now I knew you were reloading.
The old Deadeye.
Hey, squad, come behind. Over your head, CR.
Coming over your head, Dad.
Damn, you done dropped your gun. Good God, look at all him.
Gosh. I think you might have got one. It's just way out there.
Right. It's definitely a butterfly.
Oh, good shot, Kyle.
Got him on the back swing. Watch right, over your head.
Good shot, Tyler. Oh, good shot, Tyler. We got a bunch of them then.
How do you miss those?
Hey.
That's you, I didn't even shoot.
That's what I'm talking about. I already hit one.
Right here, Trey. Got one?
That's Tweety Bird.
Shoot him.
Oh, Trey! Over you, Tyler. I missed that one bad. They're just a little too far for me.
They're right there.
I know.
I can get them in camera.
I know. That was a better shot I could have. Over your head, Tyler. Up, Joe. Coming at you, Trey. Coming at you, Trey.
That one hit me.
Hey, did you get that one?
You got one, Tom, right? No, that's a butterfly, never mind. Big ass butterfly bug teeth. That's called teeth.
They're coming around, Dave. They're coming this time. There you go, big boy. Yeah, that's some shooting.
Did you ever shoot?
Uh-uh.
Huh?
No.
I got both of them, man.
Yeah, you did.
Dang right I did.
I think I know how to get down there and keep them off that power line.
There's one coming right over his head there. Look at him, two of them right there.
Oh, no, they spun the other way, didn't they?
There's one coming right over his head.
Oh,
Yeah.
got him. I don't know. You know how many birds they killed yesterday?
500 something. Man.
506. That's how many they picked up.
There can't be that many birds left over.
I know. I think it wasn't a couple miles away they killed 300 the day before. Oh, they're spinning to you, Dave.
No, he carried them. I think he got that one. He sure did. Either they went down to eat. He might have got them both. He'll probably say he got a double.
I got the double. See it coming over the chicken house?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna mess up.
He's the one that's gonna land on the damn chicken house.
No, he's got it right here for you.
How did I miss that? I missed the hell out of that, and he was going slow. I think I just killed him. He's an angel.
He's an angel.
Yeah, I shot right there. Right. Big Dave's in the house.
Dead-Eye Dave.
Yeah,
That
box
needs to
and
be-
a half of shells and 3 birds.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I got a double dinner tray.
Big double. Hey, he didn't get the name Dead-Eye Dave for nothing.
Yeah, you shoot amongst them, something's got to fall. That's why if you hear that 1, 2, 3, that's me.
Rapid fire.
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna go home and shoot skeet all day.
I saw you down there. You was like a damn plow in the
I really
damn garden.
was.
Whoa. Mowed them. How
Got
many
him.
did you get? 6?
I don't know, about 12, 13, something like that.
I thought it was like,
Got the limit.
did you get a triple down there too? I thought so. I think it was a triple. Did you get 2 in one shot again?
No. They took 2 shots.
You didn't catch them all this time.
I don't
could've
know, we
caught
weren't down
one.
there. I think you did catch
I
one.
could have. That one that came in did that deal.
Yeah.
He landed like 3 feet from me.
There's a
I
bunch
thought
of them.
about it.
I was looking at them. I said, and I kept looking at this sun, and I'd look this way, and there'd be
I
a
was
dot.
yelling. They were all coming over
I
you.
couldn't see them. I had a Dang sunshine in my eyeballs.
There
Oh,
he is right there. Damn, Dave.
hell,
That's one more you missed.
I'm about tired.
one more you missed.
Confidence. There's nothing like. Oh, here we go.
Get him.